Shady plants or shade loving plants. Shade loving plants can be kept indoors, and also when you say shade loving, these plants doesn't prefer the bright sunlight. You can keep them in the morning sunlight, but not too much. When you see the plants are getting, the leaves are getting yellow and burnt out, that means they are getting too much of bright sunlight and they do not prefer it. So there are very many varieties of shade loving plants, and I will narrate you one by one. So stay tuned until the end. Hello and welcome to Tamara's garden. Today I am going to show you some plants that do not like the bright sunlight. They do well in the shade. So I'm going to share with you top 5 shade loving plants. So the first one is the spider plant. I have many spider plants propagated in water, and then I have put them in soil in these pots. So spider plants are one best plant that love the shade. This plant too I have with me in my garden, but I'm sorry, I don't know the name of this plant, but it is a beautiful green plant which really loves the shade. So this is number 1, the spider plant. The next one is the ZZ plant. ZZ plant grows well in shade, and they do not like the bright sunlight and all prefer shady light, and also they grow well in some indirect sunlight. So ZZ plant is one of the shade loving plants. All Pothos varieties, they love shady light or partial sunlight, because for the bright sunlight their leaves get burned out. So you can keep them indoors. That is why these shade loving plants grow well indoors. So this is another plant that loves the shade and grow very well. Lucky bamboo grows well in the shady light. They also prefer the medium to shady sunlight, and also best plants indoors. So lucky bamboo is a plant that loves and grows well in the partial sunlight. Syngonium plants too love the shady light. They do well indoors as well, and I have this plant growing for many years with me, and this is really very beautiful. Out of this plant I have made another plant out of it in the same pot. Little bamboo are another plant that grows very well indoors, and also they prefer very shady light and they grow well in the shady light. So keep one of them inside your house, and they do very well in the partial sunlight. Alright, and with this I end up the video, and hope you enjoyed and find it very useful. So if you are new, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.